Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix a wallpaper engine and not opening. The first thing I want you to do is just come here to the bottom left and right click on your start icon, click here on task manager, and then once that opens up I want you to just type in a wallpaper engine. And if you don't see any processes related to it, that is perfect. We can move on to the next step. But if you do see processes related to it, then I want you to just go ahead and click on them and then click on end task. Now that they're gone, what we can do is just go ahead and open up Steam. Now I want you to just right click on your wallpaper engine under your library. Then I want you to go ahead and hover over manage and click on browse local files. Now here I want you to look for the launcher and we are going to right click on it. And then I want you to click on show more options. From here what we will do is create a shortcut. I want you to just go ahead and right click on the shortcut and we will click on this one to cut. We'll go back to our desktop and we'll just paste it in right here. Once you have your launcher, what I want you to do is just right click on this, click here on properties, and then I want you to click here on compatibility. Toggle this one on where it says compatibility mode, run this program in compatibility mode 4, choose Windows 8. And then what I want you to do is just toggle on run this program as administrator. Make sure all of the rest are toggled off, and then you can click on apply, click on OK, and then if I go ahead and double click on this, it should launch up my wallpaper engine. As you can see, it has started up and I'm able to just use any wallpaper I want. So we just go ahead and double click on that one, and as you can see, it is working. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Really helps me out as well.